Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So in today's video, we'll talk about the true force feedback with the Logitech G29 and a Bus Sim 21. Why I think this is the best combination with a few things that I want to mention. So this bus is quite massive, quite big, large. So let me give you my experience about this true force feedback with this game. If I'm honest with you, I think this is perfect because it's very smooth and it's very easy to drive actually. Um, the only thing I wish was the wheel is a little bit harder to turn, but when you drive to a bumps and curves, the wheel actually you can feel it. But the true force on the settings is on 100%. But overall, this is a great experience. I don't know, have you played this game before? See, I'm moving now to a bumps and curves, and actually the wheel, it's, as you can see, it's, this is very, very good. So the true force is working very well. Um, but I wish the wheel is a little bit harder, especially with this large bus that we're driving right now. Have you played this game? Let me know in the comments down below. I think there's a people here they want to try to cross maybe. Yep. Overall, this is a very good experience. The True Force is completely different from ACC that I played a couple of days ago. You can watch this video. It's gonna be in the descriptions down below. And also, it's completely different from the NASCAR that I played as well. Overall, this is a very good experience in my opinion. The True Force works very, very well here. It's very easy to play, very easy to turn. Overall, it's just amazing experience. Come on, buddy. There's no one there. Overall, I enjoy. Hey, dude. No, this is not good. Okay, let's go forward. No, let's go left. Overall, the experience is very nice, very easy. Um, but let me know, what do you think? I think the True Force, it's very smooth here, very easy to play, except my driving skills. Again, the True Force is completely different to a different games. So if you play like more different games, such as ACC or some rally games, the True Force will be completely different. The True Force here is very, very smooth, and you're gonna have a blast, especially with this game. And yeah, this was my experience with this game. I enjoy playing. Very easy, as you can see, with one hand. Let's try to take this turn here. Very well. There you have it, guys. This is my experience with this G29, with this game. I enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below if you have the same experience. It's really nice to get some more thoughts from you guys. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'm happy to get some information if you had the same experience with this game. Overall, it's very smooth experience.